How to share Android internet connection with PC via USB cable. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on this video we will learn how we can share Android devices internet connection with your PC via USB cable, and for that you will use USB Tethering. Now on your Android device, you have to first of all connect your phone to the PC using a USB cable. Once connected, open up settings in your device. Under settings, head over to network and internet. Under network and internet, tap on hotspot and tethering. Once you're here, you have to toggle on this option for USB tethering. Now, this option will only be appear or will be available when your phone is connected to the PC via USB. In my case, it's not currently connected, but in your case, first of all, connect to your PC via USB and then turn on the toggle here. After that, on your PC, once you have enabled USB tethering on your mobile device, your PC will automatically detect the connection and will start using your mobile device's internet. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.